What is up, guys? Adrian here from LoshTV, but you guys know that because you're watching on LoshTV. I'm back here at Universal Studios, Florida to record a vlog for you guys. Hi! Today is June 9th, therefore Bill and Ted Day. So, I am here to both be excellent to everyone and party on. So, with that being said, roll that intro, catch you in the park with my mask on. So like I said, this is my first time back for this channel. If you guys wanted to check out the other two, well, not other two occurrences, but if you want to check out my experience, go watch on SoCal Exploring's channel. I have uploaded a video of me here, and then we did a Horror Nights Unscripted of me discussing what it was like. Yeah. Now, why are you asking? Why are you coming to the park for a third time in a week? Well, they dropped a new magnet and a new pin. Well, this isn't a new pin, actually. It's a returning pin, but it was for a pass holder event. I was never able to get it. So I'm really happy that I got it. And I just want to have a fun time with you guys. This isn't just about Horror Nights. This is about everything. You guys are amazing. And thank you for all the support with Horror Nights Unscripted as well, guys. You guys are freaking amazing. Thank you. So like I promised, we're gonna ride a bunch of rides, but we got my boy Avion with us today.
Back at it again.
Back at it again.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, how's it feel to be back in the park on a normal day?
Man, I miss it so much. It's been what, almost 80 days.
Whew.
It feels good, man. It feels good.
Feels good.
Nice to ride that bitter rides. Nice to the ET smell.
I don't smell it yet. I don't smell it yet.
It's coming though.
We're gonna get in there. Let's go get on ET. Let's go hop on that bike and tear it up.
They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
E.T. Go to Tickly. Hurry.
All right, so we just got off of ET. Smelled so good in there. Right now, we're gonna walk over to the horror makeup show and check it out because last time I was here, it was closed. So, with that being said, let's go see some spooks.
Oh, yes. If you have any questions, you can see our lovely staff over here. They're going to take good care of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, we'd like to ask you to sign for your cell phone. We ask you to leave no eating, no drinking, no smoking, and no flash photography. And like I said,
Turn the cell phones off! Alright, back up. Just straight do that. There's more elocution. I had a little more. Alright, anyway, so turn off your cell phones. Make sure you enjoy yourself for the next half hour or so. And kids, if there might be some scary stuff on stage, some props and stuff, and that's awesome! Alright, what do you say, folks? You ready?
Let's get around here. Please make some noise for Marty J. Marty J.
Dying.
You're dying.
Yeah, I just need some help.
Well, I know that.
I just need a little help if I could just get him outside. Help. It was a little Mask. You gonna help me? She's really jumping up to help. You know what? It's actually, it's fine. He's adhering to our guidelines and he is staying up. And that's fine. I appreciate that. Alright. I'll just die. So, yeah. Alright. So anytime. Okay.
Not a lot of people know this. Universal actually helped create the modern day horror film. True that?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah. Are you a hacker? Am I right? Why am I a hacker?
You have to do his hands.
Why can't I be Winona's character?
Because you're a giant.
What? Oh my god. Look at how cute we are though. Are you having some issues there? I'm not allowed to touch you, sorry. You're gonna have to deal with it yourself. Well, this sounds good. Go on to the audience. Big girl! Let's go! Big girl dress, let's go. Go out to the audience. Find me someone who really cares a lot. The show. Somebody does not want to do it. Somebody not getting any eye contact. Somebody that's all I can see in the eyes. Yes, that's fine. Good one. I think I want this lady right here.
Let's hear it for her. Yes? Stand right here, and if you would mind face the audience and hold out your hands. Complimentary sanitizer. Have any kind of
Yeah, that's fine. Just put it all together. What are you doing? You're insane.
I'm sorry.
Oh my
I
gosh.
apologize.
That was
Listen,
so
you've been having the TJ.
unprofessional. Melissa, come right over here, sweetie. Oh,
Yeah, sure. And I'll just do this, the ones you touched.
Perfect. Now, here's the deal, Melissa. You're going to be my assistant. If you could roll up your sleeve for me, I'm going to show you guys all those seven rings, like all that you see over there. I'm going to show you where they come from, okay? Right here.
Excuse me. No, ma'am, I will not give you some dance.
Melissa. So we're going to place this one. It's way too big. This is a smaller, sharper one. Can you just right here show me your arm? Oh, actually, hey girl. Okay, can you see her arm? It's okay.
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, it's perfect. I'm gonna take that knife, Melissa. I'm gonna cut it off. And I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna hurt like a mother. So it's also gonna bleed immensely, which is why we're wearing this. Okay, I need you to scream though on the count of three. Give me your best horror movie scream. You ready? 1, 2, 3. I love it. Okay. All right, here we go. Just hold on to your right arm. All right. Don't drink beer for breakfast. Okay, just because nobody does it, doesn't make it right. She's allowed to, she stays home along with you. The last 12 weeks especially, she gets lower until UPS guy comes. And what can Brian do for you? Take her down.
Safety tip.
All the knives and blades, of course, that you see up here in the movies, they've all been dulled. A lot of them are made out of rubber or plastic, just like the Kardashians. This stuff is done by professionals when they're not drinking. They are real good at what they do. you. So don't try this at home.
Okay, do it at a friend's house. Let's go ahead and get close up, please.
If you could just hold it right over the pants, so push your arm right there. All right. All right, put it down a little bit more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Melissa, does it hurt?
Right. Let me clean it up. Give her a round of applause, you guys. Awesome. This is an incredible gag created by my favorite, Tom Savini. He worked on the original Dawn of the Dead film. Check it out. It's just a retractable blade. Slides it around the handle like so. There's a cutout here. Goes right over her arm like that. Hiding behind my fingers first, slicing away, and then I let go. Boom, boom. Blood bolt in the back. It's all fake.
Going to ask you a very special question later.
Your industry, he started using foam latex for Planet of the Apes. You don't know my alarm that I had to sit back and get.
I saw you. It's weird you keep it back there. Because it's quarantine this time,
We have no responsibilities, we didn't have to worry about.
No, I didn't put her bra.
You're dirty. It's okay. Are you happy with yourself? Yeah. You're not supposed to be.
I'm home. I know.
I haven't seen you in a while and I thought that you, what are you doing?
What are you doing? There's blood on the floor. You made a big mess. I'm cleaning it up.
Good. Do your job. What was I talking about? Can you get me back on track, please?
Huh?
Can you get me back on track, please?
I don't even remember what you're talking about.
I don't either. That's why I'm asking you.
Okay, you were talking about latex. Latex.
Latex?
Latex. Not latex. Latex, not latex.
Latex makes a different monster.
I know.
Latex makes amazing monsters. Take a look at some great latex work on the actual film. They are called change-o heads. Now, they are made of fiberglass, the understructure, and they are running on a system of pneumatics.
And that's air pressure.
Air pressure, yeah. These, he just stopped working. Sorry, no mind. Push the cutouts in and out, up and down.
I watched you get up off the ground.
That was real hard to do. I haven't been very active in these 12 weeks. So this right here, this is the understructure. The foam latex mask fits right on top. There are bladders inside here stretching the latex, make it look like it's changing. Great details. Real dental appliances, even real human hair.
It's real hair.
Yeah,
Where do you get the hair?
this guy's chest.
All right.
Thank you so much. Okay.
So is this technology still used today?
Yeah, absolutely. We do combine it with CGI a lot, of course. Yeah, computers. Yeah, I've got one last clip. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, yeah. I need you to do a huge favor. Will you? What's wrong? There's blood everywhere. How did you get blood everywhere? That was okay. It's probably the body that's up surgery we got. Oh my God. Just did. I need you to do here. What? I need you to put on this high voltage vest. So if you could just, I will not do that. What's that? It's low voltage.
No, you just said it's high.
No, I was like, High voltage, how you doing?
I'm not okay, yes. Melissa! Melissa, come right here. Stand right there on that little mark there. And because you have been such a good sport, to say thank you for holding us up, Universal's going to give you and hopefully not pronounce it. Free 3-day cruise for sure.
That's fantastic. All right, Melissa, if you could do me a favor and put all of this on, all right, just the vest and the glove and the helmet. Okay, thank you so much. So what she's putting on is called a telemetry suit. It is filled with sensors on the glove, the helmet, and the chest, all right? You are hooked up to my creature behind this curtain. You are going to bring him to life and make him move and control him like you do TJ. All right, let's get a round of applause. Drum roll, please. Hey! Woo! Final episode of Dora the Explorer. Dora learns to run. And that's about it for her. All right, so in just a minute, I'm going to turn it on. You will, but you won't remember it. But when you wake up, your shorts may be wet. Let's get a social distance picture, shall we?
All right. There we go.
Love it. Okay, so don't move yet until I say so, okay? He just needs to reset.
Well, is everything okay?
Yeah. Get raise your right arm straight up slowly. Look at that. You're making that happen. That's all you. This is proprioception, motion capture technology. Let's video games use this. So proud. I do my hair tall. Baby, how you feeling? Good as hell. Okay. On your tummy. Take a bow. See that perfectly?
Oh, that's okay.
See that? Thanks. I'm done. Look at that. What do you guys think?
Yeah!
So
you did this all during quarantine?
this is literally what I was obsessed with all of
Melissa,
quarantine.
you're
Thank
so
you.
awesome. Thank you, and I'll get your picture for you after the show. Let's hear from Melissa, you guys. I love you. And you guys, let's hear it for
Oh.
Melissa, I love you. Melissa, are you okay? Yeah. I'm so bad. I was back there running with my life, and all I was thinking about was yours, but anyways. I'm fine, thanks for asking.
All right, so I know I told you guys I was gonna take you everywhere today, but I think that's all we're gonna record for today because we had way too much fun, and I wanted to put that whole show in there. So, Summer and Robin, best show ever. Every time I come out here, they do a phenomenal job. So if you guys see them walk on the stage, just know you're in for the best show of your life. With all that being said, don't forget to go check out all of my socials. Go check out Avion as well. I'll link it all below. Now, subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and stay excellent, my dudes.